Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this pro-firm trading platform, which is Topstep and MyFundedFutures. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Topstep in 2025 continues to be a trusted name in future trading, offering a structured combined evaluation, strong educational support, and reliable payout with profit split up to 90%. It's great for traders who value reputation, daily withdrawal option, and a clear rule set. On the downside, subscription and data fee add up, and strict daily loss rules can strip up otherwise solid trader. On the other hand, MyFundedFutures, which is MFU, is a newer but fast-growing competitors offering account size up to $250,000, profit split at high as 100%, and the fast payout that traders really appreciate. It also has more relaxed timelines than Topstep, giving trader the breathing room. However, reset and activation fee can be costly, and some plan comes with tighter consistency requirements that may frustrate aggressive trader. In short, Topstep is the safer, more established choice, while MFU offer a bigger upside and a speed up for those willing to handle street-hard condition. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.